You may be wondering if you can take the battery out of your Z Fold 6. This is not possible. So on the lower end phones, while it looks like you may not be able to remove the back, if you eject the SIM card tray, you can use a spudger or like a pry tool to pull the back off. This is because the phone is plastic, and with Z Fold 6, the back is glass. So they have this heavy glue which keeps the glass in place. You can't use a spudger or any sharp tool to get in and pull up the screen. What you would have to do, or what the technicians do, is they heat up the phone really hot and then they precisely take the back off. If you do this yourself, the chances are you crack the back glass here, so don't try that. I'd recommend if you need to do a battery replacement, you go to a third-party repair shop that will get that done, or go to Samsung directly. If you have Samsung Care Plus, then you get a little discount, I believe.